First one I'm going to look at is 2019, question 5. And it says a function is defined by f(x) equals x squared minus 8. X belongs to the real numbers and x is bigger than or equal to 0. State the range. So I'm going to draw out the wee graph here. So x squared graph and drop it down 8. You can see that the range of this is bigger than or equal to minus 8. Part 2. Find the inverse function. So you set y equals, rearrange it to get x equals. But when you're bringing the square root over, you just have the positive square root because an inverse function only exists for a one-to-one function. Replace x with f minus 1x. Replace y with x at 8. And then it says, state the domain. The domain of this is the range of the real thing. On to part 3. It says a function g is defined as x minus 3 and x belongs to the real numbers. So sketch the graph of gx. So let's consider y equals x minus 3 first. That's y equals x. Drop it down to 3 for y equals x minus 3. Find where it crosses the x's at. So put y equals 0. So 0 equals x minus 3, so x equals 3. Now, I'm going to reflect anything that is in the bottom half up. So 3, reflect this bit up, minus 3. Sorry, positive 3. That was me reflecting the minus 3 up. Part B. You've got this here graph, 3, 3, 6. I want to do in part 1, y equals a third f3x. Sorry, h3x. So what I will do is I will divide the x's by 3 and multiply the y's by a third. So if I just draw out my wee axes here. So the x's are divided by 3 and the y's are times by a third, giving me that shape. So P is 1, 1 and Q is 0, 2. And the last one I'm going to do now, part 2 of this, I've got y equals 6 minus hx. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the minus hx first. Just going to turn this graph upside down. So this is 3 minus 6, and now I'm going to lift it up 6. So 3, that'll be at 0, and that will be at 3. So this here point is now at 3, 3, and this here point is 0, 0.